And in our top business story, Moody's has maintained its credit outlook for UAE banks at stable for the next 12 to 18 months, as it estimates that the economy will grow about 4% this year and in 2015. Moody's Investors Service says it is still upbeat about the prospects of UAE banks, as bad loans are declining as the country's economy booms. Analysts wrote in the report that as a result of these improvements, they expect that problem loans will decline further, profitability will increase modestly, and that high liquidity and capital buffers will be maintained. These positive developments will remain balanced against downside risks of further declines in oil prices and high lending concentrations. Moody's added that by the end of next year, it expects the ratio of bad loans to overall loans to decline to about 7% from about 9% at the end of last year. At the same time, it expects loan growth of between 7% and 10% by the end of 2015. Do and Microsoft have signed a new partnership in order to provide small and medium-sized businesses in the UAE with the Office 365 offering. The new move comes as the telecom operator looks to increase its dominance within SMBs. Do announced on Wednesday that it currently has around 30% of the market share of up to 300,000 SMBs in the country. The company is now looking to target 50% of the market with the help of its new partnership with Microsoft. According to a statement, the cloud-based productivity applications and service, such as storage and emails, will be available for the first time here in the UAE. The Office 365-enabled packages will support the services offered by Do for SMBs, allowing them to be able to purchase all of the services they require from one supplier through one support center and in one consolidated monthly bill. Ihsan Anabtawi, the regional manager of the Microsoft Office division at Microsoft Gulf, was quoted as saying that they are excited to launch the UAE's first modern office in the cloud, with a focus on those with up to 100 employees, providing easy, low-cost access to cloud-based technology with no infrastructure costs. The steel industry at the Jebel Ali Free Zone saw over 20% growth in 2013, which is more than the rate of industry growth in the whole of the UAE. According to news agency WAM, the upswing comes on the back of rapid economic development in the region and a fast revival of real estate and infrastructure projects in Dubai and other parts of the UAE. It added that steel manufacturers and traders in the Free Zone expect the growth momentum to pick up further in the current fiscal year. Ibrahim Mohammed Al-Janahi, the deputy CEO of JAVZA, said that Expo 2020 is going to provide a further boost to the construction sector in general, and steel industry in particular across the region. JAVZA accounts for almost 40% of the steel produced in the country. Therefore, the growth in the sector reflects the economic resurgence in the region. Etihad Airways and Air Seychelles have announced changes to their flight schedules on the Abu Dhabi-Seychelles route. From the 1st of December this year, the new plan will see Etihad add one service per week and Air Seychelles a further 2 services per week, raising the combined number of weekly return flights to the Seychelles from 10 to 13. The new schedule will provide an additional 217 weekly connections to key destinations across the Gulf region, the Middle East, Indian subcontinent, North Asia and Australasia, including Beijing, Shanghai, Tokyo and Seoul. Excellent connectivity will be maintained to and from Europe via Etihad Airways' hub in Abu Dhabi.